Hello, hello, how are we all? It is winter, Christmas is near. Welcome to a new Zara haul. I've picked up some really great winter bits that I can't wait to show you guys, and we are gonna get straight into it. Let's set the mood, okay, so that I can show you the pieces that I got and share them with you. Of course, before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because there's plenty more than just what I'm showing you today. And please feel free to hit me up in the comments because I love talking about the things that I've picked up that I'm sharing with you guys. So yeah, let's chat. Let's get started first of all. So, oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. I have picked up some clothing bits, but I've also picked up some accessories, which I don't tend to normally do for Zara, but I'm really excited about these ones. I saw them and I just could not resist. I had to show you. But I've picked them up for various reasons. So maybe we'll start with the accessories, shall we? Let's start with one I'm really, really excited about. Hang on. So I saw this. This is different. Oh gosh, I'm so excited to show you. How cute is that? So it's a floral jeweled ear cuff, goes around the ear. I feel like it would look really, really pretty, especially for me personally right now. I have, of course, short hair. If you haven't seen that very first video of me talking through cutting my hair off, then I'll link it up here. Definitely give it a watch. And I feel like this would just look really cool with short hair specifically. If you have long hair, definitely a pinned up do, or a long ponytail with an ear cuff like this, I think would go really, really well. But I love this. I have a couple of Christmas events coming up. I particularly have one that I'm going to wear like a sparkly silver Christmas dress. And I think this would go really, really nicely with it. But yeah, gosh, what a great piece. I also think this is great for if you have like a really basic outfit and you just kind of want to jazz it up a little bit more, then I think it also works very well for that. You know, black top, pair of jeans kind of thing. And you just want something, you know, to like a wow factor. But yeah, wow. Look. Love. She's really, really cute. So this was $15.99, which for a fashion piece like this, oh my god, it's so difficult to open. I don't think it's that bad. I think it's fairly reasonable. But just so you guys can see how this would actually go on. So at the back here, you've got your little stud, and then you have like an ear cuff bit here that would essentially go behind the back of your ear. So at least you know it's going to be secure on. And also, I mean, I haven't put this on my ear yet, but to me, this does not feel heavy. It's very, very light. So that's another thing that I was, you know, cautious of, because we don't want droopy earlobes, okay? We don't want that. So that's number one. Let's move on to a clothing item. Oh, hang on. When I first saw this, I was like, I have to have it. It's such a good autumnal piece. Guys, stop. Look. I am not huge on mini skirts. This is a mini skirt, but the odd few, like a really nice black leather or faux leather mini skirt is great. This is actually leather as well, although it feels like complete and utter suede. So this is a really nice leather brown mini skirt that feels like suede, and I just thought this was absolutely fantastic for this period. Autumn, winter vibe. I feel like you can dress this in so many ways. Like, I literally picked it up and I was like, I have so many outfits in mind. I feel like it actually goes really, really well with this knit that I'm wearing. Like, this blue with this, stop, and a pair of like maybe like brown croc style boots, thigh high, knee high. Oh, stop. And then you can also kind of like tone it down a little bit and just wear this with like a nice black top, or a nice black halter neck piece. Like, there's just so many ways. This even goes really, really well with the white jumper, white shirt, blazer. It's endless. It's endless. And I really, really love this piece. Now, I'm going to try it on, but I'm not 100% sure how this is going to fit because she's mini and I feel like I have to kind of size up at least 1 or 2 sizes because of the bunda in the back. So I don't know. I don't know how this is going to fit. We will see. I picked this up in a size medium. It was $59.99. I mean, look, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I personally feel like Zara is pricey. The math isn't math in here, honestly. However, this is 100% leather. So $59.99. I don't think it's that bad. It is constructed, from what I can see, very, very well. I do not see any threads or things like that out of place at all. Just by looking at it, I don't feel like this is going to fit well, and I actually feel like my behind is going to be falling out the bottom. So I already know I'm going to probably go for a large. So just be careful on the sizing if you are interested in this item. But otherwise, I love it. Something else that I picked up, which I actually wore last night. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. It's such a great piece, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So it is this off the shoulder light knit top. They have them in various colors. I picked up 2 because I just knew that I would love this. I knew it. I picked up 2. So it is this off the shoulder black, very light knitwear piece. Really, really, you know, casual but sexy at the same time. It's got these like pinched ruching bits of the material on the side, and they kind of fall just under your shoulder. And it's the off the shoulder moment for me. It's the off the shoulder moment that it gives. I just think that's so flattering. I feel like when you have pieces of clothing that show like little bits of skin or just one area, it really gives you this really nice flattering piece of look. Like it's like, yes, I'm gonna give you something, but it's not too much. Not too much. And I love that. You know, it's the same kind of like rules that you have for if you're showing your midriff, then don't show legs. I mean, there are these rules, you don't actually have to follow them, but you know, they're there. Oh, it looks so good last night. It looks so good. And I wore it with a pair of like Levi 501 jeans and Perspex heeled mules, like wedge mules. Wow, I love this number. I think this is great to wear during the day. I think this is absolutely perfect for like girls' night out. I also think this is brilliant for like a date night. If you want to do something, it depends on what you're doing for this date night. You know, if you want to do something quite casual but you want to look a little bit put together and dressed up, she's your girl. Fabulous. That's all I can say. Fabulous top. Really, really pleased that I picked this up. I think I got this for $17.99. Let me double check. Yes, $17.99, which I mean, for what it is, I don't think that's too inexpensive. Yeah, I think this was great. I also got this in a size small and it fit really, really well. I felt very snug in it. There wasn't any like loose hangings. It wasn't too tight. It fit well in all the right places. So very, very pleased with this top. I also picked it up in a cream color, which I'll show you. Now the cream, I haven't tried on yet. I will try it on, especially for you guys to be able to see. But against my skin tone, honestly, I'm looking at it now and I feel like it's going to be a little bit sheer. And I don't like that look, especially for a top like this, because I feel like it will end up looking quite cheap. And I want my clothes to look like they're of quality and they last. Like that is me right now when it comes to shopping. I don't want them to look like they're cheap. That's not the vibe that we're going for. But yeah, I just feel like, see, can you, oh, I don't know if this picks up on camera, but I know that this is going to be see-through. We'll see how this goes. But yeah, I mean, you know me, if I like something, I'll get it in another color. So long as it fits in with, you know, me drawing closer to my capsule wardrobe. And I picked it up, of course, in the same size. So we are happy with these. We'll just need to see how sheer this is. Next, let's go with, oh, should I do this next? Let's do this next. I'm going to leave like the best. I'm going to leave the best for last. This is like the second best. I picked up a bag. I'm shocking myself here because I don't I don't really buy bags anymore from Zara, but I saw this one and I thought this is quite great. I like this. This is definitely a dupe. It can't spring to mind at the moment, but it's definitely a designer dupe. You know Zara loves a designer dupe, hun. They live for it. I think that's one of the reasons why they are actually so successful and so many people purchase from them, because it's literally like getting a designer dupe for incredibly less. Anywho, so it is this, I think this is faux leather. Doesn't say it's 100%, so let's assume this is faux leather. But a really, really great size bag. Oh my gosh, the material is very supple, feels very soft. What? I wish you guys could feel this. This is amazing. Let's unravel so that I can actually show you the detail of this bag, because it's great. It's great. We have this really nice gold handle, which I think is divine. And I think this is what really sets the bag apart. Look at this. Like, I think that's fantastic. I love that. I really, really love that detail. I've actually seen, there's been a couple red carpets going on recently in London for movie premieres and a couple of other red carpet events happening. And I've actually seen some celebs being styled with this bag on the red carpet. Crazy. This is $35.99. Hello. I think that's a really, really good price. I just love this gold handle detail. Get into it. I think it's great. It looks like a very roomy bag. That looks like there's plenty of room in here. Like you can just fit your entire life in. Let's take all the stuffing out, because obviously we know that keeps the shape and it changes things. Oh my gosh. So much room in there. It also has a side zip as well, so you can put, you know, your cards, your lip gloss, whatever it is that you put in your side zip pocket of bags. But I think this is very handy. I quite like the bag to be styled and held, you know, by the hand like this. It does have this strap. It adds some versatility because it means that you can wear it as a crossbody bag. I don't know if I'd like that look of a bag with this kind of handle detail on the crossbody, as a crossbody. I don't know if I'm feeling that. But this, yeah. I mean, I suppose if, like me, you're not feeling that, you could probably put this on another bag that you have, if you have another black bag. I actually quite like the idea of wearing some of these bag handles as like belts. It's like a different way to just kind of use your accessory. But I mean, other than that, generally speaking, I think this is a really, really lovely bag to have. So yeah, we love that. Let me move on. I have to move on to the last piece because I'm really excited to show you guys this. This item. So this, I picked up a necklace. Oh my god. Oh, guys. This is like, and excuse my French, but this is like F off jewelry. Like this piece I'm about to show you. It's very much, it just gives this very much get out of my way, F off type of attitude. Which, I mean, from the grand scheme of things, that's not very nice. But you know what I mean? It's like, it's real bossy. It's real, like, it's out there. It's huge. It's big. Let me just stop talking and show you. Look. Oh my. Is that not fantastic? Stop. I love this. Whether this is actually going to look good on, I can't tell you right now, but I love it. That's all I know. Look at the gold, huge, chunky chain, and then the elegance of this like big pearl at the top, which is obviously fake. I mean, come on. But this is great, and this was only $19.99. can't even speak. This is so... We have to take this off. I have to try it now. I have to show you. Oh my gosh. Stop, stop, stop. The clasp was really cool because you can't really see that. You know? That's great. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay. Thoughts, guys? Is it cute? Is it too much? What do we think? Let me know in the comments. Oh, I have to look in the mirror closer. Hang on. I feel like this is a really nice, like, fashion statement piece. I don't think I like it very much with this top that I'm wearing, but if you were to wear black, this would really, really stand out well. Or imagine wearing like a really crisp white shirt, Oxford shirt, so you have like that really nice thick twill material to the shirt, and then you have this like peeking out in front. Oh my gosh. Or if you had a bandeau top, off the shoulder top, or a dress that is a bandeau style and literally just shows you know, your collarbone line, top of your shoulders, and you had this on, I think that would be an absolute vibe. A really great look. But right now speaking, wearing it with this blue top, I'm not 100% sure. Please let me know in the comments. Let me know if I should keep this or return it. I would really be interested to see what you guys think. But overall, I really like it, and I think that you can style it in a variety of different ways. But yeah, wow. Anywho, guys, that is everything for today's haul. A few winter bits, some great accessories. Cannot take this off now. Let's turn this the other way around. That is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did enjoy it, and the subscribe button, please. And don't forget to hit the comment section as well. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.